Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial with your instructional technology specialist, Leslie Johnson. So today we're going to look at the Snip and Sketch tool that is a part of your teacher laptop. To activate this tool, you can hold the Windows-Shift+S key, and that pops up this image up here. So you can take a rectangular snip. You can take a freeform snip. You can do a window snip, which is my favorite, or you can do a full screen snip. Or you can say, ooh, no, I didn't mean to do that. Like, let's just close this tool. But let's go ahead and do a window snip. So you click the window you wanted to snip, and then it tells you it's over here. So let's go ahead and click on that. So this is the screenshot that it has. I'm going to go ahead and close my video so you can see it. Now we have some tools up here. We have the Ballpoint Pen, which looks something like this. So if you wanted to highlight that login, you can do that. There's also a pencil, and we can change the thickness of any or all of these, and it will show you how pronounced or soft this pencil color will be. So that's the pencil. I really like using the highlighter. Again, you can increase the thickness as needed. You can change the color. And you have the eraser tool. So I can erase the marks I've made. You've got the ruler or a protractor. And of course you have the crop. So if I only wanted to highlight that login, I can do that, hit the enter button, and there we have it. I want to get rid of the protractor. There we go. So double click to get rid of that. Now, once you are satisfied, I'm going to actually circle that login again. Click that save button. And I like to save these in my download. So I'm going to call this Discovery Ed. And now it's magically in my download folder. Now, when we go back to Google Drive, we were using Alice Keeler's screenshots. So I do have the quick share screenshot here that I've already changed the folder permission. So I'm going to go ahead and drag this screenshot into the quick share folder. It's going to upload and automatically become something that I can share with anyone. So all of these screenshots I can share with ease by right-clicking, getting the link, copying the link, done. So then that link would take anyone to this Discovery Ed JPEG and show them that login information. This is a great tool for annotating student work. So if they have turned in a piece of art or something along those lines, and you really want them to focus on a certain piece or aspect, it's a great way to use a tool that we already have to give that student feedback. I hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit more about the Snip and Sketch tool that we have on our laptop. Again, the keyboard shortcut to get that prompt up is the Windows key, Shift+S. And then you can take a screenshot of just a piece or all of your window. And then if you drag that file into Google Drive, it makes it even easier to share with anyone. If you have any other questions or video suggestions, please let me know. And thanks for watching.